A bit of a dilemma. There's my bike. Bike is okay, but this is what the dilemma is all about. I need to go across that way. I have no idea how deep it is, but I can't see the bottom of it and it's way too wide, so I have no idea what's going to happen if I go through that. My name is Shamir Shah. I'm a landscape photographer, passionate adventurer, mountain biker, and a devoted conservationist. A few years ago, my freedom and independence was nearly taken away from doing what I love by becoming a carer for my special needs son. Since then, I've doubled the stakes of my mission to make nature and the outdoors an inseparable and fundamental part of every family. This has now become my project. Good morning everyone, welcome to this week's episode of the Shamir Shah project. I am in Wiltshire and I am mountain biking today. Big loop of about 35 miles, but the reason I'm heading south and in this direction, apparently there's a great viewpoint halfway through this ride. So I'm glad you're with me. Let's enjoy the journey. %5 gradient. No wonder I could smell horses. That's the it's the Salisbury racecourse. I'm okay going past the racecourse because I've got a bit of tarmac. After that, bumpy ride, rutty ride, muddy ride, uphill. Ugh. Oh goodness. I wouldn't want to ride this trail or this section during the winter. It's horrible. Very bumpy, very muddy, lots of ruts. Look at this. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Jeez. How beautiful is that? Look at the rolling hills in the distance. They might come to you as a silhouette because of the lighting, because the sun's right there, but they're absolutely stunning. Now I'm not sure this is the viewpoint that's marked out on my route, but certainly a lovely viewpoint. But I believe it's further down the trail, the one I'm looking for. So far so good. I've done about, I don't know, 10 miles. The majority has been off-road. Absolutely loving it. It's turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful day. I don't know, it's about 20 degrees, I think. Quite humid, actually. Not bad for cycling, not bad for mountain biking right now. Totally enjoying it and not complaining at all. So, thought I'd stop for a bit, catch my breath, and then have a look at this viewpoint and then make my way down the trail. Oh, right, this is way overgrown. Yeah. Oh, no. This does not look like a trail that has been ridden recently. Not at all. And mosquitoes? Bloody hell. Oh wow, okay. Out of breath. That was a big hill, and the fact that Garmin didn't actually warn me that there was a 10% gradient, short but steep hill coming up. Anyway, I've made it to the top. Now I can understand why Garmin didn't tell me there's a hill, because it wanted to surprise me. Now that's a view to die for. So now I believe that the viewpoint that was marked on my trail, I believe it's this one. It must be this, because I don't know if there could be another one. Maybe there is. I've still got a lot of miles to do. I've still got about 15 miles, not 15 miles, maybe about 15 miles to go. But this is magnificent. If I don't see another vista and a viewpoint like this, I will still be very happy. So let's take it as this is the one, and then we'll find out as we keep riding. This section is definitely hiker bike. It's way too long on a double track, very rocky and very steep. Whew, a bit of a dilemma. There's my bike. Bike is okay, but this is what the dilemma is all about. I need to go across that way. I have no idea how deep it is, but I can't see the bottom of it and it's way too wide, so I have no idea what's going to happen if I go through that. But that's what one morning of torrential rain can do around these parts. Yesterday morning we had 3-4 hours of continuous rain, loads of rain. I wonder if I go around. Oh wow, this is horrible. Ugh. But I could still make it across with the bike and go over that bit. I could probably jump across with the bike. That looks... Whoa! Whoa! Right. I've got to be careful when I'm there. Don't want to sprain my ankle. There's big, massive ruts. Oh! Whew. But if that wasn't enough, how about that? Again, I have no idea how deep it is there, so I'm not risking it. This one seems a little easier to cross from the side, so I'm just going to push on through. More gump. Right, straight through the middle, I think. Ugh. Squish, squish. Are you kidding me? These puddles are relentless. They keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Yeah, you see how deep that is? If it's deep on the side, you can imagine in the middle. Okay, no more please, no more. There's been sections of my route that big sections, long sections of the route where I've seen nobody, not a single person, not a walker, not a hiker, not a cyclist, not a bike packer, not a backpacker, not even a farmer. It's been absolutely empty. All I hear is the sounds of nature and an aircraft going overhead every now and then. But 50-60% of this trail, it's been just me on my own. I'm back. I've finished my ride. What an epic ride. Absolutely amazing. So it's 34.7 miles and it's about 65% single track and double track. I think that is pretty cool. Oh, I've really enjoyed it. I'm knackered. Looking forward to a cold beer at the campsite and some food. But a cold beer first, and then a shower, and then another cold beer, and then food. Yes. Guys, if you've enjoyed watching this, please hit the like button. If you love the trail and want to participate and go out on this trail, let me know in the comment section. Perhaps I can hook you up with the GPX file. And if you're not a subscriber and you got to the end of the video, then please go ahead and subscribe right here or down here somewhere. Please support the channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you out and about.